Hi friends, welcome back to Bafna Cars. Today's modification is something really very special for the serious Hycross lovers. We have got a Innova Hycross in-house, for which we have done a complete paint protection film from a brand called Solar Shield. It's a high resolution, high gloss, self-healing with many such features applied on this vehicle in a spotless condition. You can see the fit and finish, you can see the shine of this vehicle. That will give you a very beautiful feeling. See, along with the paint protection, friends, we have got a very serious surprise for you. This car is completely upgraded with an Audison very high resolution active setup. As you can see, we have installed this setup in this vehicle where we have used this Audison Voce 3-way components for the front doors. We have used an coaxial speakers for the back doors. Friends, as you know, just changing the speakers doesn't serve the purpose. The processed installation, the exact installation is the key factor. This video will make you feel the correct part of the installation what we have done in this complete car. That will give you a complete feel.
Could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down, down, let me down, down, let me down, let me down, down, let me down, down.
So friends, hope you have liked the complete installation job what we have done on this Innova Hycross standing with us. For any of your requirement, friends, you can drop down to our place or you can always contact us. We can give you the best of best solution. One important message what I would want to give it to you. For the audio, there are so much things and there are so many detailed things which we need to explain you. Without that, the complete process is incomplete. So You can always contact with some spare time. We will give you a complete details and we'll come back with the best solution for your audio performance. Thank you so much, friends. Stay tuned for the next.